Good morning, student. I am Gopi Kumar Srivastav, and this is my third video of class 8, chapter number 4, Agriculture. In this video, we are discussing about the tick the correct answer. In this tick the correct answer, the first question is horticulture means. The first option is growing of fruit and vegetable. The second, primitive farming and the growing of wheat. In these three options, which answer is related to the horticulture? The answer is the growing of fruit and vegetable is the right answer. Now, the golden fiber is also refers to tea, cotton or jute. The answer is jute. The leading producer of coffee is Brazil, India and Russia. We all know about this answer is Brazil is the first rank in the producing of coffee. Give the region. Now we are discussing about give the reason. India agriculture is primary activity. इसका एक रीजन बताइए आप. तो we are discussing this region that 2/3 of the India population is dependent upon the agriculture. Hence, in India, agriculture is primary activity. After the independence of India, 1947, the population mainly depend on the agriculture sector. Therefore, our agriculture sector has grown by the many peoples, the crop grown by the many peoples, and the many peoples are involved in these types of agriculture for the search of their employment and mainly depend for their survival. Now we have the next activity, that is manufacturing activity and the tertiary activity, but mainly we have to discuss in this point about agriculture is the primary activity of India. We have the next questions is different crop are grown in the different regions. We discuss this. Different crops are grown in the different region because growing of crop depend on the geographical condition, demand of produce, labor and the level of technology. डिफरेंट क्रॉप जो होते हैं वो डिफरेंट क्षेत्र पे ग्रो होते हैं, क्योंकि किसी भी क्रॉप के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट होता है जियोग्राफिकल कंडीशन एंड डिमांड ऑफ प्रोड्यूस कि क्या डिमांड करना चाहिए, लेबर चाहिए, टेक्नोलॉजी चाहिए, फेवरेबल टेपोग्राफी ऑफ सॉइल, क्लाइमेट आल्सो प्ले इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन द सेलेक्शन ऑफ द क्रॉप टू बी ग्रोन इन दैट एरिया. So, this is notable that for growing every types or variety of crop, topography of the soil is very important and the climate also play important role in the producing crops. Now we have the fourth number question, distinguish between the primary activity and the tertiary activity. We all know that primary activity is related to the agriculture and the tertiary activity is related to the service sector. But we again discuss this topic. Primary activity connected with the extraction and the production of natural resources. जब हम लोग किसी भी नेचुरल रिसोर्स का एक्सट्रैक्शन करते हैं या मतलब निकालते हैं नेचुरल रिसोर्स को यूज करते हैं, फिर हम उसे प्रोडक्शन करते हैं, तब वो प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी कहलाता है. एंड द टर्सरी एक्टिविटी का अगर बात करें, प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट टू द प्राइमरी सेक्टर एंड द सेकेंडरी सेक्टर. दिस सेक्टर मेनली सपोर्टिव सेक्टर फॉर द प्राइमरी एंड द सेकेंडरी सेक्टर. दिस आर आल्सो नोन एज सर्विस सेक्टर लाइक ट्रांसपोर्ट, communication are the example of tertiary activity. Example of primary activity are agriculture and the fishing and the many more. Example of tertiary sector are service such as banking and insurance, transport, communication are some of the example of tertiary activity. Now, last questions is related to the subsistence farming and the intensive farming. Subsistence farming and the intensive farming. Subsistence farming is that farming in which the farmer mainly grow crops for their family, and in the intensive farming the farmer cultivation of the small plot of the land by using simple tools and more labor. First we have to understand the meaning of subsistence farming, then intense farming. Practice to meet the need of the farmer family involves the use of low level of technology and the household labor for the producing a small output. जब प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए, उत्पादन करने के लिए किसी भी फसल को सिर्फ फैमिली और कुछ छोटे मोटे औजार का ज़रूरत पड़े, जैसे कुल्हाड़ी का ज़रूरत पड़े, सिर्फ फैमिली को चलाने के लिए फसल उगाया जाए, तो उस तरह का फार्मिंग को हम लोग सब्सटेंस फार्मिंग कहते हैं. एंड ऑन द अदर हैंड intensive farming is a type of substance farming. It is also types of substance farming. Involves the annual cultivation of a small plot of land using simple tools and the more labor. In this types of farming, there is lots of more labor, but technology and the tools are old. जब पुराने औजार से ज़्यादा लेबर लगाकर खेती बाड़ी होता है तो उसको इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग कहते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट, थैंक यू. दिस वीडियो इज आल्सो कंप्लीटेड एंड दिस चैप्टर क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर एंड द रिवीजन बोथ आर कंप्लीटेड. Must learn and write because this chapter is in the syllabus and come in the final exam. Thank you.